Market is very quiet, so let's just take a breather from equities and talk about commodities now. Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, hi, welcome back. What's the one commodity you're looking at today?
Sonia, thank you. I'm looking at copper prices because we've seen further declines into this one. We started the week on a positive note, but it hasn't stayed like that. The weak Chinese data, the US economic numbers all coming in on the weaker side clearly seems to be weighing onto the prices. The China industrial production to begin with at 5.6% is way lesser than the estimate of 10.9% that the street was waiting for. And then property investment, new home sales, retail numbers, industry orders, factory activity, all of those numbers have seen a decline as well on a quarter-on-quarter basis and much lower than what the street was anticipating. So at best, this is not an even recovery coming in from China. If you look at the Chinese copper imports itself, that fell by 12.5% in the month of April. That has led the copper prices to nearly 5-month lows on the LME right now. Also, when you look at the overall imports into China into the first 4 months of 2023, that has seen a decline by 16% also. Apart from that, the China exports have been on the stronger side, but much of that is not going into the consuming countries or companies. That is actually landing into LME warehouses, and LME physical loadout, that is what the markets have marked out for in a decline or rather for delivery, is only at a 225 tons, which is not great at all. So that tells you that on-ground demand clearly seems to be slipping here. I want to talk about the prices also because we started the month of January quite strong. $9,550 a ton is what we started the year with, and we are currently trading at $8,140. So a very sharp decline from the highs of this year and from where we started this year as well. It's not just the physical markets, but the funds also seem to be now turning bearish. So when you look at CME, the short positions have gained up by 68% to 58,000 contracts right now. So this is the much higher level that we have seen in last 3 weeks itself. If you look at the long positions, they have come down to 41,987. So when you look at the overall net shorts, that is up by nearly 16,000. This is what we've done on copper on LME as well. So in April, the longs were at 25,000. Right now, they're just at 4,000. So we have seen a lot of sell coming in by the funds as well. What the markets are also watching out for is the global visible inventories. So the Shanghai inventories are at a 1-year lows. LME inventories at the lowest since 2005. So the only thing that will give support to market is some stimulus coming in from China, or if the Chinese demand comes back on a stronger side as well. Until then, the markets do believe that there could be more pressure in many of these metals.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Manisha. Well, for the time